PC hardware prices are getting crazy again, and this time, both GPUs and motherboards could be affected. NVIDIA has reportedly warned its board partners about higher GPU and memory costs as DRAM availability continues to get worse. And we've already seen companies like Asus and Gigabyte raise prices on RTX 50 series and RX 9000 series graphics cards. But the biggest problem right now is the RTX 5060 Ti 16 gigabytes. Its median price has reportedly jumped by almost 39% in just 2 months. The card launched with a $429 MSRP, but finding it at that price was already difficult. Now, things are getting ridiculous. Many RTX 5060 Ti 16GB models are selling for over $700, while some custom versions are approaching $800 to $1,000. And incredibly, there are even models listed above $1,200. Just think about that for a second. A GPU that was supposed to be a mid-range option is now approaching the price of an RTX 5070 Ti. And this could also put pressure on AMD's Radeon RX 9060 XT 16GB, which remains one of its closest competitors. But GPUs aren't the only hardware getting more expensive. According to a recent report, Asus, Gigabyte, and MSI could increase motherboard prices by at least 50% in Q3 2026. The reason? Manufacturing costs are rising across the board, including PCBs, copper, capacitors, power delivery components, and controller chips. At the same time, motherboard shipments are reportedly falling as PC building demand slows. That means manufacturers are selling fewer boards while paying more to produce them, and those costs could eventually be passed on to buyers. So, a motherboard that costs around $200 today could potentially go beyond $300. And remember, this is happening while DDR4 and DDR5 prices are already rising, with CPU prices also increasing. So building a budget gaming PC in 2026 could become much more expensive. However, there's one important thing to remember. The reported 50% motherboard increase has not been officially confirmed by Asus, Gigabyte, or MSI, so treat this as an early report for now. But if these trends continue, PC hardware prices could get even worse. Would you buy your PC parts now before prices increase, or would you wait and hope prices come back down? Let me know in the comments.